Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. So, you have a date tonight? Yeah, sure. I can do your makeup, yes. What do you want? A smoky eye? Yes, I can do that. Something more darkish. Yeah, sure, I can do that. Do you want contour? Okay, I can do that. So, sorry for the screaming outside the kids. It's already. Oh, my clock died. It's already 7 p.m. and the kids are still kidding outside. I don't know what they're doing, but that's life, I guess. So, I don't have your. Excuse me. I. 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 Yes. I don't have your exact color, but I'll mix it. Okay? I'll mix it with this and where's the other? I have a darker shade. Okay, I'll mix with the dark shade. This dark shade over here for foundation. But we start, yes, we start with foundation. Okay? 2 pumps. And the other one. And mix. So how are you? It's been a while since we last seen each other. How is life? New job? Yeah, you told me how it is. How is it going? Oh, I'm so glad. Perfect. Now I have your shade here, and I'm going to put it on your face. And I'm going to blend with my giant beauty blender. It's from Real Techniques. It's really good. For the final touches, I like to use a brush. If you don't mind, I will use a brush just in the corners of your nose and right here, just so it be seamless, okay? Perfect. Perfect. Now I'm gonna open my drawer and I'm gonna use some concealer. I have various colors of concealer, and for your dark circles I'm gonna use some orange. Okay, I'm gonna use some orange. I'm gonna take it with my little knifey stuff, then orange, then I'm gonna put it on your eye, right behind, right below your eye. One side, then the other side. And in the corners of your nose, in the corners of your nose, and then your spots. Any dark spots that I see. Perfect. And I'm gonna blend with, let me see, I'm gonna blend with my brush, okay? This dense brush is really good for concealer because it doesn't absorb that much of the product, you know? This dense type of brush is really dense, it's really good. And on your nose, and then on the spots. Perfection. You look perfect. So, what we're gonna do next? I'm gonna do powder because I'm not gonna use any more creams on your face, okay? And this powder, oh my god, it's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Actually, I'm gonna do one cream, but it's more of a liquid, and it goes well on top of a powder, so it doesn't matter. It's the Strawberry Cupid collection from Flower Nose. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever owned in my life. It's beautiful. It's translucent. It seems white, but it's translucent. It will go well on your face. It's beautiful. And it has a cupid. I don't know if you can see it anymore because I already use it, but it has a cupid image of a cupid. He used to have it. No, you cannot see it. Oh well. So what you want me to do? First, I can do your eyes, and if you have fallout, I can correct your face because I won't have the contour and anything like that on your face. Or I can do your face first. I can do whatever you want. First your eyes. Yeah, that's what I thought. Then I will use Flower Nose again. Yes, you know me. I love them. They are my favorite brand of makeup. They have perfect eyeshadows, perfect powders, perfect packaging, and they're perfect. This is Flower Nose Shell Jewel Collection number 6. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look how pretty this is. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Yes. gonna have a small fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this color and put it all over your eyelid, okay? Oops. And I'm gonna go. Perfect. Now, the same thing on the other eyelid. Little rocket chips dashing on your eyes. Perfect. Now I'm going to take this darker color with a fluffier brush, and I'm going to do your crease, okay? Just right here, and put it a little bit right towards the ends, going for pointy look, okay? Not a round look. I don't like round looks. I like pointy looks, okay? Perfect. The other side. No, I cannot with this hand. Now, do you want only smoky eye, or do you want some glitter? Let me drink some water because I'm starving. Not starving, thirsty. Why do I say starving? I'm not starving. I'm not even hungry. Oh my god. You have to excuse me. English is not my first language. So, glitter or no glitter. It doesn't have to be like super glittery, just like a pop of glitter, like mine, like mine, like mine, like mine, like mine, like mine, like mine. What do you think? No glitter. That's okay. So now we head to eyeliner. And I'll use Kiko Milani eyeliner. Gel eyeliner. Oops. I just bumped in your head. Sorry. Kiko Milani. He's really good. I really like his makeup. I'm gonna take a little bit. You're gonna close your eyes. Excuse me. Sorry. You're gonna close your eyes and you're gonna be a statue. Okay? A statue. Because if I'm gonna mess this up, I'm going to start all over, and I don't want to do this because you're already late to your date. Okay? Okay then. Close your eyes. Statue, statue. Do you want the cat eye to be up, down, or straight? Up. Okay. Not like mine. Okay, not like mine. Up. 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 The other side. You are perfect. A perfect statue. The other side. Perfect. 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 Now I'm going to use the best mascara ever on you, okay? It's super cheap. I paid like €3 on this, and it's the best mascara ever. It's not showing on me because this is yesterday's makeup. Yes, I know I should take off my makeup before bed, but who has time? Okay, I don't have time. This is yesterday's makeup. Yes, walk of shame. But this is the best mascara ever. And when I tell you, you're going to blink for me, okay? Blink, 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 Now I want you to look up so I can do your bottom lashes, okay? Perfect. You look precious. Really, you do. Oh, what mascara is Essence Lash Princess. It's really cheap, but it's really good. I've tried the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Not even close. This is better. I swear to you. And it lasts a whole generation. So, when I tell you to blink, you blink for me, okay? Blink, 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 blink. Now, the bottom lashes. Perfect. Perfection. Now I have the contour, the blush, the highlight, and the lips to do. Oh, your eyebrows. Your eyebrows. The eyebrows are really simple. What I do is the way that I do mine. I really like my eyebrows, okay? And the way that I do mine is really simple. I don't use pencils. I don't use nothing too crazy. I just use this brow powder and that's it. So I'm gonna brush your brow. Your brow is done, right? I don't need to plug it. I can shave a little bit, just the parts, just to be perfectly neat. Sorry, excuse me. I can shave a little bit just to be perfectly neat. Excuse me, I will shave. Perfect. They are perfectly neat. Now I'm going to brush, 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 brush. And now brown eyeshadow and the other side. See? Done. Easy. Easy peasy. Now, I said that I wouldn't put any creams on your face, but now I'm going to put creams on your face. But don't worry. This powder that I put on your face is really thin and it will blend easily with the creams that I will use. Don't worry, I do this all the time. So I will use this contour on your face and I will put on your cheeks, on your nose, on your forehead, and on your chin. When you're doing contour on your cheeks, you have to be very careful, otherwise you will look like a dirty potato. I always say that because it's true. You want to do, when you're doing like this, you won't put the contour here on the hollow parts. No, you want to do it right here on top of the hollow part, on the cheekbone, so it creates a shadow right here. Otherwise you will look like a dirty potato. And if you put on the hollow part, it drags your face down, and we don't want that. Now I will use this dense brush to brush everything and blend everything. Okay. So what's their name? Yeah, of your date. What's their name? Are you nervous? Don't be nervous, honey. You are amazing. It's gonna be perfect. Is your first date with them? No? Oh, so why you're nervous? Every date seems like the first date. Yeah. Are you already in love? Yeah, I know the feeling. I'm with my husband since 2014, and every date seems the first date. Yeah. I know. So you are blended very well. Sorry, I'm kind of allergic. You are blended. Now I'm gonna use my favorite blush of all times. It's Chic Glam and it's from the Twilight collection. I just need a little bit because, trust me, a little goes a long way. And on your cheek. Boop. Boop. And with this small brush, I like to use a small brush for blush. I don't know why. I'm just got used to it. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. I'm putting it in your apples, going a little bit close to the bottom lid to create like how do I say it? Oh my god, in English, how do I say in English? To create like a dark eye, a dark circle, but like in a fashion way, you know? Blend, 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 blend. Brush, 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 brush. And this color is amazing. Look, you're not seeing on yourself yet, but this color is like a wine color. Wine color. See, it's more like a closed color, and in the lower lid creates an effect that looks so beautiful, especially with the browns that I used in your eyeshadow. 10 out of 10. Now a little bit of highlighter. The highlighter is also Chic Glam. I love them. They are really good for the prices. Really, their stuff is good. Just a little bit. And on your nose. And now blend with my hands. Perfect. Perfection. Now what's left is the duo that we're gonna use in this theme that is like dark and wine colors and browns and darkish theme that we are using. Is this duo. It's Chic Glam again, and it's the Twilight collection. I bought the whole set because I'm addicted to Twilight, so obviously, is the lip tint that looks like blood. It's amazing. And gloss. It's like the old glosses with the roll. We're gonna put this on your mouth and we're going to spray you with setting spray, so you be on for the whole night. Buckle up. Now let it dry. Let it dry for a second. Do it like this. Yeah, perfect. And now the glass. Let me see if I forgot anything. I did your base. I did your contour. I did your blush. Your highlighter. I did your eyeshadows. I did your eyeliner. Your mascara. Your eyebrows. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. So this is amazing. You're gonna get up tomorrow and they're gonna look at you and say, oh my god, didn't you sleep at all? Because you're gonna be like full face, like untouched, because this Cryolan Professional Fixing Spray is the best of the best. Okay, I'm gonna close your eyes. Oh, now perfume. I have a collection of perfumes. I have all kind of sweet or floral. I have La Vie Belle. This one is really good. I have, of course, the Flower Nose perfume. This is amazing. It's Strawberry Cupid perfume. It's strawberry, super sweet. It's amazing. I have this. Oh my god, this is. I'll let you use it, but this you must know is